You sure are jealous of this old boiler, Dad.
Why shouldn't I be? My boy, she's part of me. Or maybe I'm just part of her, I don't know. I took her out on her first run. And I hope I'll be at her throttle when I make my last.
Restore America's standing, respect, and credibility around the world. We are determined to tackle our toughest problems and stand up for those who most need a champion, because we are determined to make America work again.
Most casualties from the blast are caused by its indirect effects.
We know that for the promise of America to be real, we are called to deliver on that promise. We're going to tap into all of the spirit, the talent, and just the plain grit of this great nation again, to deliver on the promise and restore America's standing, respect, and credibility around the world. We are determined to tackle our toughest problems and stand up for those who most need a champion, because we are determined to make America work again.